Hey, it's Lindsay with WTI, and have I got a dog bed to show you. This very large dog bed is from Yiruka, and not only do my dogs love it, but really my whole family loves it. I can't wait to show you. So this is the extra large, and I'm so glad that we got this size. Lily's a puppy, she's about 35 pounds right now, but she's gonna keep growing, and so I know that this bed is going to be with us for a long time, and I don't have to worry about her outgrowing it. Something else I love is that both of my dogs can be together. They love being together, wrestling, playing, and even just laying together. So if you have more than one dog and you want to get a large bed that's both comfortable and give them enough space that they need, I really recommend this bed. As far as the materials themselves, I really like it. The pillows inside are awesome, as well as the mat is orthopedic and a really good quality. The cover is awesome because you can take it apart and wash it, and when you're done washing it, you just put it all right back together. The fabric itself is a really high quality. It's very soft and very durable, which is something that I really like. Also, my kids have been known to cuddle up with the puppies in it, and they absolutely love it. So if you're looking for a dog bed to fit any size dog, I highly recommend this high quality bed by Yiruka. But that's just my point of view.